Hello guys, welcome to Hank's Precision Gun Parts, and what I want to show you today is an exact replacement breech plug system for the Arrowhead Generation 2 ignition system. This is an exact copy of an Arrowhead sporting goods plug, but it uses my primer modules. So you can get away from the problems that we're having with the Arrowhead sporting good primer modules. What they're doing is the primer pockets are blowing out after 2 or 3 shots. Some of them will last 7. I know one guy that went to the range and blew a whole bunch on the first shot. So the problem is inside the plug. It's the way it's designed. There's just not enough space in there. When Arrowhead Sporting Goods come out with this plug, they advertised it as patent pending and the shortest flame path on the market and all this kind of stuff. Well, what it's done is it's turned around to be too short. There's not enough room in there for expansion. And when you fire the gun, there's so much pressure right here at the primer area, it's blowing your primer pockets. The patent pending is now patented approved. But the only thing they approved on his patent is the fact that he puts his tungsten bushing in from the front and puts a set screw on the top that way, instead of putting it in from the rear and putting a set screw on the back side. Which, putting it in this way is much easier. It's a lot easier to manufacture. It allows me to put a tapered pocket on the breech plug itself, so that when you put your primer module in, it's going into a tapered pocket and it seals like a cartridge would seal in a rifle chamber. Everything's tapered. On the Arrowhead plug, it's all straight because he has no way of boring this set screw out on an angle and getting them all the same. So when you shoot your gun, the primer module wants to stick in the primer pocket, and it's very hard to open your bolt and get the primers to release themselves. So we've made a lot of improvements to the Arrowhead Sporting Goods Generation 2 breech plug. For any of you guys that want to try one of these, I have them available on the website. And our primer modules will last you twice as long, just simply because of the way the plug is designed. I was able to open up the breech plug itself to accept more gunpowder, so you're going to get better ignition and slightly faster velocities because you've got more gunpowder closer to the primer. The original Arrowhead Sporting Goods plug only has a 1/4 inch hole drilled all the way through here, which doesn't allow very much gunpowder to get down in here. So this shorter flame path that he has advertised to you guys really didn't do anything. It hurt you more than it helped you, because now that flame has to get all the way out to the end of this plug before it really gets into any good gunpowder to ignite. You've got to light off all this little stuff first. And I don't want to keep beating a dead horse here, but that Gen 2 plug was really a terrible design, and I'm surprised that it even made it to the marketplace, but it did. And now we're dealing with guys calling me, wanting me to fix this problem, and this is what I came up with. This is definitely going to help you guys out there that need a replacement plug for the Arrowhead Generation 2. So it's available at hanksprecisiongunparts.com. Get them while they last.